So we're setting up the white bounce house. So we're setting up the tarp now. Look. So this tarp is supposed to be a 14 by 14, and I hope it is a 14 by 14. And like these, you see how this right here? It doesn't go like under there because then it can like make a hole on it. You get it? So,
You have more in the back?
yeah, we have more in the back. Wow, that's pretty cool. And it fits so perfect.
I know.
Yay. So the bad thing about these white bounce houses is like this, it's stained. So this stuff does not work. It actually stains the bounce house. So people are wrong about this solution to clean the white bounce houses. And this white bounce house is perfect for little yards. So we're here to do a pickup. So I'm gonna turn on the bounce house. There's water on it right here. So yeah, we have to turn it on. There's water on it. I was trying to step on this corner and I got all wet. I freaking went all inside. Yeah. I was trying to step on this water and I went in the hole. Look, I was trying to step into that corner to make it go down.
Yeah.
And I just, like, my foot just got stuck.
Sounds like fun to me.
Here, record me because I'm gonna have to get down that
I
water.
bet you.
See how the bounce house is going in that corner? I'm gonna turn it off and then guide it to this way. Come get the water. Come get this water. So that's good.
Nice.
Oh, there's more water. So we're just cleaning the bounce house now. We actually got some water out. So I had my phone on the tripod, but it died because of the temperature. It's too hot. But we've been cleaning this bounce house for a long time because the white bounce houses, they get really dirty. Really dirty. So you're gonna be spending a lot of time cleaning because it gets really dirty. And the pink stuff was a bad idea because it left a pink mark on it. And all around. So don't always listen to people on the internet. They're wrong. You have to unzip it. And hold it. Make sure this doesn't touch the ground. All right, and then unzip those. So now I know what has been hurting my knuckles. It's the Velcro. It's the Velcro that's hurting my knuckles, that part. I just started bleeding. A little piece of my skin off because I'm not wearing gloves because I'm recording, and that's what happened. And the air is really hard to get out of this white bounce house too. And this is the Velcro that cut me right here. It's really hot too. So this part, I flipped it over and it's dirty, so more cleaning to do. And where Cody is cleaning on that side, it's dirty too. Lots of cleaning to do. So we are still cleaning this bounce house because there's more dirt on here. And if you leave this stuff here, it will stain the bounce house. And there's water inside it too, so, you know, we had to guide the water this way. It's not an easy job dealing with a white bounce house. Fluffy, go get him.